your chance. How are we doing today? How's everybody doing today, tonight, wherever we're at in this planet? Just right here, chilling, relaxing, relaxing for a few minutes. Let me fix my angle so we're okay. We don't need hope to be a good girl. Hey y'all, chums, how are we doing today? How's everybody doing? We're here in weekend thing. Yep. How's everybody? Hopefully everybody's doing okay. The best behavior. Hopefully everybody's in the best behavior, right? Don't party so hard. Work so hard, party so hard, right? Just relaxing. Just relaxing and making the night relax and as amazing as much as possible. How's everybody's night? Hopefully everybody have amazing nights, including me and everybody. Hopefully everybody's in the good spirit. Make the bad day a fun night, right? The bad day a fun night. That's what I'll do. Make my bad day a fun night, right? Make my bad day a fun night. Make my bad night a fun day. Yeah, that's all we can do, chaps. That's all we can do. Yes, we can do it. Back. We can do it, champs. I have high hope in all of you. Yes, we can do it. You can do it. You all can do it, right? We're gonna make this day the best day. We're gonna make this night the best night, right? Hopefully everybody's relaxing, chilling, relaxing, enjoying the night, the day, enjoying the weekend, whatever y'all doing, champs. Yes, whatever y'all doing. That's as long as it's all good and positive and good, everything. Yes. That's what we all need to do, right? Hold on a minute. Back champs. Don't forget to subscribe our channels, subscribe our channel, like the videos, comments, hypes, star, all the good things. Okay, subscribe, subscribe our channels, subscribe our positive channels, and like the videos, comments, hypes, all the good things, positive things, everything, everything. Don't forget. Write in your comments what your positive achievements that you did, positive achievements that you did for your life, for today, for plan for the future, all the good things. Me, I'm here chilling in here in this area, relaxing, hoping for the what is that? My fairy god, fairy, my male fairy god, fairy, my male fairy god, fairy. Hoping for my male fairy god, fairy to come visit here. You all, what's your positivity to positivity in life? Comments, write in the story. Yes, write it in our show down there in our story. Write it in our series of shows. Yes. Just relaxing, enjoying my relaxations. Hopefully everybody's doing the same things, enjoying, relaxing, enjoying the night, enjoying the weekend. Yes. That's what we're trying to achieve, right? That's what we're trying to achieve in each of our lives. Because don't you agree that we're all aiming to achieve the best in our lives? I do. I cheer for my achievements. I cheer for all our achievements, right? Right? Agree with me? Would you agree with me, champs? It's hot summer weather. It's hot summer weather in the wild west side of the USA. That's where I'm based at as of this time. We gotta cover it because this bureaucrats we gotta cover it because we don't know what Bureaucrats. Yes. We don't want that. We want to stay policy, policy, policy and procedure. Policy. We want to stay in the policy procedure, right? Yes. I'm here again, all of you champs, to do hopefully encouragement on everybody. Encouragement to everybody, right? So positive encouragement to everybody. Hoping that everybody have the best luck. Everybody have the best luck ever. Best luck of fun and achievement ever, ever, ever and ever, right? We all can do it, right? That's right. Never ever forget to subscribe my channels. Make the channel grow. Ever and ever. Ever and ever. Forever and ever. Make it grow big and hard. Make it grow big, hard. Just joking. Just a joking. Don't get mad with me. Yes. Just joke. Just relaxing, you know. Crazy female. A crazy female. Right. It's getting hot. It's getting hot in my area. Yes. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comments, hypes, and star everything positive. And I wish for everyone to all their dreams come true for tonight, for tomorrow, forever and ever. All right, champs. I'll see you later. I probably do some more videos later, and I'm gonna excuse and take care. Hope everybody's in the best of health, physically, mentally, spiritually, everything good. I pray that we all get all our blessings for starting now. Starting now. Thank you, champs, in advance. Talk to you later.